Now let's check out the next element, which is PDF Viewer Embed. So let's take the element PDF Viewer Embed. Now what this element will do, it will embed a PDF viewer on your WordPress page or post. First, you need to select a PDF viewer. Let's select Test Magazine. The height and width, if you want to put anything, you can put a number or you can leave it as it is. Let's say I want 80% of width. I am leaving the height as it is. You can put iframe title if you want or keep the settings as it is. Now click on Save Changes. Now you can see a PDF viewer has embedded in my WordPress page, which is perfectly workable as a Flipbook. So this is how you use PDF Viewer Embed element.